to record for you our beginner's solo quick step practice routine number 4. Now I taught this in a class on Tuesday the 30th of November 2021. So if you're in the full video library, you're looking for the full class, 30th of November 2021. We had a little bit of trouble when we broke down the short routine trying to get it uploaded into YouTube and the website, so I'm just having to record this again. So I'm going from my notes because that was about 6 months ago. So I'm going to make a little start. I do apologise for holding the paper just to make sure we get this okay. It was quite a challenging routine. It was the 4th beginner's class of Quickstep we have done. So let me go a little bit slower today. Living room shaped basic. So this is our progressive chassis, both left and right, adapted for our living room. So we're doing literally what would be the followers and then the leaders steps. So slow, quick, slow and check. Slow, quick, slow and check. Okay, we're going to do a couple of those and we actually do the routine in its fully extent. We did little side close side chassis. This is the start of the tipple chassis, so left and right without a lock step. So here we're going. I'm going to go one step on my back left, back, tipple on my right, tipple on my left, tipple on my right, tipple on my left. I'm going to do 8. We did 8 to practice being on our toes originally in the class. I'm then going to end that with a right foot forward to check into the left corner. Now I'm going to go back on the left for a lock step, slow, quick, slow. I'm going to go forwards on my left, and then I'm going to go into a right foot lock step. So again, slightly adapting for the living room, but there we are. So let's just do that again. V-shaped basic, slow, quick, slow, 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 quick, slow, slow. Do that again. Slow, quick, slow, slow, and slow, quick, slow, slow. One slow backwards, tipples, and then we end in a slow at the end. Slow, tipple 1, tipple 2, tipple 3, tipple 4, tipple 5, tipple 6, tipple 7, tipple 8, and slow on the right for a little check. Now let's do those lock steps. Slow, quick, slow and slow. Just a little settlement step. Off we go again. Slow, quick, slow and slow. Okay, so again, that was just adapting for our living room, one backwards and one forwards. I did a little heel-toe Charleston step. Here, and here, and here, and here. So just counting with the music, and I think I did that 5 times. So slow, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm going to do a little step sequence. So this is the hardest part. Now, one back on the left, slow. Side chassis on the right. Quick, slow. 4 little hops. Slow, slow, and then a repeater. Quick, slow, and slow, and slow, and slow, and slow, and quick, slow. Okay, so little woodpecker hops with a little change of tempo. We then had some little, I like to call them like the little Fred Astaire and Ginger Rogers slides, bit of showbiz. Slide, and we did a slide, and another slide, and then another little slide. Okay, so we just did 4. We were just interpreting with the music. Bearing in mind this was over 6 months ago, so go with me here. And then I had low pendulums, low ones. Now when we do these normally in the ballroom, we're hopping and we're here. But remember, this was a beginner's class and I wasn't trying to kill everyone off with the high tempo, high energy. So here, and here, and here. Please feel free, if you want to put the full extent in, to do them with the little hops in the air, pointing the toes and out to the side. Okay, watch out what you're jumping up and down on. So that was the little pendulums. We did 5, and then my right foot will be hanging in the air. Ooh. And I'm going to take that across here as a little check into my left corner, and then I can start everything all over again. Everybody breathe, including me. Now, I'm going to dance it, calling the slows and the quicks for you. So here we go. Slow, quick, slow, slow. Slow, quick, slow, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Tipple chassis sequence, slow, tipple 1, quick, quick, slow, 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 and a quick, quick, slow, and slow to come out. Here we go, back lock step, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow, forwards, quick, quick, slow, and slow, heel, toe, slow, slow, and slow, and then our little step sequence, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Sliding, slow, 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 pendulums, slow, 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 and check on a slow. Apologies for the delay in getting this video done. We had lots that got corrupted and I've had a lot where I've had to redo them, so I'm gradually working my way through. The playlists are getting nice and full on both my website and the YouTube channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're seeing this on YouTube, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Really need to build those subscribers up. I really appreciate it. And if you're watching in my paid website, thank you so much for supporting me and giving me money every month. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys.